Now, it's no surprise that cold winter air can have an adverse effect on your hair, leaving it dry, brittle and frizzy. But how does one even take care of their hair during such harsh winters and also prevent damage? Today, I'm going to tell you just that. Hi guys, I'm Nia and today I'm going to share with you a 5-step guide to keeping long hair healthy and strong this winter. But before that, make sure that you subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and you also tap on the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our latest videos. And now, let's begin. Start by using a strengthening shampoo and conditioner. Reason being, dry air sucks out all the moisture from your scalp, and then a dry scalp leads to dry hair, which then eventually leads to hair breakage and hair fall. This is exactly why you need to use products that will infuse strength in your scalp. Take for instance this duo. This is Treseme's Keratin Smooth with Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. Now this duo has keratin, which is going to repair the structure of your hair strands, and at the same time it is going to push back protein into your scalp, which in turn is going to strengthen your hair. At the same time, this duo also has argan oil, which as we know has vitamin and essential fatty acids, which also means that it has superior nourishing properties, making it ideal for this winter. Step 2 is to apply a strengthening hair mask. Now during winter, our hair becomes dry and frizzy and this can lead to a lot of split ends. Using a hair mask is going to retain moisture and it's also going to nourish your hair. This is my go-to winter hair mask. This is Dove Healthy Ritual for Strengthening Hair Mask. It contains oat milk, which basically is going to moisturize your hair without weighing it down. At the same time, oat milk, as you know, has nourishing properties, which is basically going to combat the appearance of frizz and it's going to smooth out split ends. And lastly, it has honey, which is going to smoothen the hair follicles and it's going to add shine to dull hair. The third step is to pay extra attention towards how you dry your hair. Now, most people will just excessively rub their hair against a towel to get rid of excess water, and then they'll wrap up their hair in any regular towel. Using a regular cotton towel is bad because it is woven with looser framework and it features really large loops. This is exactly what causes frizz and friction when used to dry your hair, which is why I recommend that you use microfiber towels to dry your hair. Now this is because they are woven with fine loops into smaller, tighter grooves. And because of these fine loops, they glide against your hair far more smoothly. And they also help reduce friction. And less friction equals less frizz. Step 4 is to apply a hair serum. Now apart from removing tangles, serum adds shine, it makes your hair really soft, it smoothens out any frizz, and at the same time it makes your hair really easy to style. So this is my go-to hair serum. This is Treseme's Keratin Smooth Hair Serum. Now truth be told guys, this is actually my second bottle. What I love about this hair serum is the fact that it has keratin. Now keratin, as you know, offers sun protection, and at the same time, because keratin has strengthening properties, it will help hair rebond, which will make your hair strands resilient towards breakage. It also has camellia oil, which is super rich in linoleic acid and omega fatty acids, which basically helps prevent water loss, and this in turn makes your hair really soft. And the last step is to use gentle hair ties, because if you're noticing more breakage than usual, or say for instance you're noticing flyaways or certain strands look smaller than the rest of it, then that means that you're causing some sort of physical stress to your hair. And guess what? That trusty hair tie of yours could be the biggest culprit. As a rule, always opt for silk scrunchies because silk prevents friction. Now if your hair is curly, then you can opt for spiral shaped hair ties. Using these gentle hair ties will ensure that when you try to take them off from your hair is going to gently glide against it, and this in turn reduces chances of breakage. So this is my 5-step guide to keeping long hair healthy and strong in the winter. Now as usual, before you go, make sure that you like and share this video and that you also subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. And while you're at it, ring the bell icon so that you can stay updated with all our latest videos. Until next time, bye guys.